Welcome. In front of me is HP ProBook 635, and in this video I will show you how to get your cursor back on the screen in case your touchpad stopped working. So to do that, you'll have to use your keyboard to navigate. So first press the start button to open the start menu, Windows button basically. Okay, then press tab once, tab button, then use the arrow buttons to navigate and press enter once you hit settings, then press tab once again, scroll down using your arrow keys to Bluetooth and devices, press tab a couple more times until you hit the any of these options, and then using arrow keys scroll down to the touchpad, press enter to open the touchpad settings, and then to toggle your if your touchpad is toggled off here, you have to press the space bar to toggle it to switch it on, and then check if it works for you. And if it doesn't, don't worry, we have another solution. Press the Windows button, then then search for the device manager, and once you find device manager, press enter to open it. And once it opens, use the tab button to select the options in here, then scroll down to human interface devices, press the right arrow button to expand the list, then select HID compliant touchpad, and once you find it, press enter and press tab a couple of times until you hit the options right here. Then select use the right arrow key to switch to the driver options, then press tab 2 times, 3 times until you hit the disable the device option, and press enter, and then use the arrow key to switch to the yes option, and then click yes. Wait until the list of the devices restart, and then press enter again, and then check if your touchpad started working. And if it didn't, then the last option we have is to press tab one more time until you hit the uninstall device option, then press enter and press enter again to uninstall it. Okay, now press Alt F4 and press Alt F4 again. Okay, and then using arrow keys, select shutdown option, or no, select restart option and press enter for your device to restart, and wait until it's restarted. And once it is, check if your touchpad started working. Usually this method should help you, but if it didn't, then either you don't have the drivers required for your touchpad, and if you want to know how to update and install drivers, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do this. Or you have to, but usually the touchpad doesn't require any drivers, so it's very unusual reason. I'd rather suggest that you contact the HP customer support service and tell them about your issue, or just contact the nearest repair center, because the problem might be inside your PC. So that might be the hardware problem, not the software one. So at this point, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, if it helped you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.